right front, right down, right back, right up, right front, right down, right back, right up, right front, right down, right back, right up, and 4, front, down, back, up, 5, front and down and back and up, 6, front and down, back and up, 7, front and down, back and up, 8, front and down and back and up, 9, front, down, back, up, and 10, front, down, back, up. Now 2 pedal, right, front and back, 2, front, back, 3, front, swing, back, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, swing, and 8, swing, and 9, swing, and 10, and swing it back, 11, and 12, and 13, and 14, and 15, and 16, and 17, and 18, and 19, woo, and 20, and down. We'll go all the way around in a 4 pedal. So round and around, around and around. And second time through, 2 and 3 and 4, and third time, 2, 3, 4, and fourth time, third pedal, fourth pedal, fifth time. And now this time when you come down, go into the 2 pedal. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and now go up to the 4 pedal. So from this position here, when the right is in the back, go 4 pedal. So right top, right front, right back, right bottom, right back. Second time, and third time. So we're leveraging the same arm motion for both of those. And what you're doing is you're switching between where you do all 4 of these positions, and then you go to doing just the front and back. Then all 4, and then front and back. And then all 4, and then front and back. And all 4, 3, 4, and front and back, front and back. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, front, bottom, back, top, front. Now skip to back. We're doing the 2 pedal. To back, front, to back. Now top, front, bottom, back, top. Now to the 2 pedal. Front to back and front to back. And third set. Top, front, bottom, back, top. Now 2 pedal. Front to back, front to back. Now 4 pedal. Top, front, bottom, back, top, and 2 pedal. Front to back and front to back and top, front, bottom, back, top. Now 2 pedal. Front to back, front to back, and top, front, bottom, back, top. Now back to 2 pedal. Front and back and front and back. Back to 4 pedal. Top, front, bottom, back, top. And now 2 pedal. Front to back and front to back and down. So bottom, back, top, front, bottom. Now 2 pedal. Back to front and back to front. Now bottom, back, top, front, bottom. Back to 2 pedal. Back and front, swing, back and front, and 4 pedal. Bottom, back, top, front, bottom. 2 pedal. Back to front, back to front. Now go 4 pedal. Bottom, back, top, front, bottom. Back to 2 pedal. Back to front and back to front and bottom, back, top, front, bottom. Back to 2 pedal. Back to front and back to front. Back to 4 pedal. Bottom, back, top, front, bottom, and back to front, back to front. Last time 4 pedal. Bottom, back, top, front, down. Now 2 pedal. Back to front and back to front and down. Right. This is what that whole thing together would look like as we just drilled it, where we do all the way around the 4-petal, back to the top position, then you go into the 2-petal, and you do that 2 times around, and then 4-petal, 2, 3, 4, back to the top, and then 2-petal, and second time. Then 4-petal, and then 2-petal, boom, and boom, and boom, and boom, and down. Go. 5, 6, 7, and top, front, bottom, back, top. Now 2-petal, front to back, and front to back. Now back to the top, front, bottom, back, top, and front to back, and front to back. Now go to the 4-petal, top, front, bottom, back, top, and front to back, and front to back, and 4-petal, top, front, bottom, back, and top, and 2-petal, front to back, front to back. 4-petal, top, front, bottom, back, top, and 2-petal, front, swing to the back, and swing to the front, and swing to the back, and top, front, bottom, back, top, and front, swing back, and front, swing back, and top, front, bottom, back, top. Last time, 2-petal, front, swing back, and front, swing back, and down. From the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bottom, back, top, front, bottom. Now 2-petal, back, swing, front, swing, back, swing, front, and bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back to the 2-petal, front, and back, and front. Now 4-petal, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, swing, front, and back, swing, front, and 4-petal, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, and back, swing, front, and back, swing, front, and 4-petal, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, 2-petal, back, swing, front, and back, swing, front, and 4-petal, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, 2-petal, back, swing, front, and back, swing, front, and bottom, back, top, front, bottom, and back, swing, front, and back, swing, front, and down. Lift your toes up off the ground, right? So your weight is really in your heels, and start in this back position here, where you're holding it back there. The hip is open, and you're going from here to the front, to the back, but keep opening every time you pass the hip. Instead of fully opening like this, what you're doing is you're going like this. So you're going out to the side more, which from the side would look like this. You're going, instead of this, to this, to this, to this, you're going this, to this, to this, to this, right? So it's just, you're just not getting the hand and arm back. So you're here and you're holding it. And I want you to imagine pedal, 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 pedal. And every time I'm saying pedal, like right hits the bottom, left hits the bottom, right hits the bottom, because they're in split time. So pedal, 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 pedal. Now you're going to swing and open to the left. Pedal, 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 pedal. And then swing, and we'll do 1 pedal and swing. 1 pedal, 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 swing. 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 Strong core. Swing. Pedal, swing. Smile, swing. Standing up, swing. Open your heels. Open your hips. Weight in your heels. Toes are lifted. Pedal, swing, down. Let's start with the right in the back. And we'll count off 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal, swing, hold, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal, swing, and hold, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal, swing and hold, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal, swing, hold, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal, swing and hold, 6, 7, 8. Swing, pedal, swing and hold, 6, 7, 8, and down.